today? I said,
Alright, so here's Geordie, the Brotherhood of Lorpz, rank 14. George, 1499 points. Very handy.
I'm here with the Fat Lorpz.
Yeah,
Fat Lorpz. Who's the Fat Lorpz going? He's number 19, Matty.
Oh, I'm doing what I can. Got 184 losses, but you know, the wins that I've been getting are cheating wins.
Cheating wins?
Yeah. No, against the good players.
Engineers.
Yeah, no, I don't engineers. More
we know Axiom's here. Let's see how Axiom's doing.
Axiom loves engineers. He's on 48.
That's 48 engineers.
He's been stealing a lot. He's been working hard, those engineers.
They've been working hard for the money.
George, those top 5, who do you think's the best?
I don't think Chenzen is.
Chenzen?
Yeah. I haven't played this Flareon character, so I don't know who the hell that is, but I think Chenzen's probably
he was
the best.
Umbreon. Umbreon's pretty...
Umbreon, he's just changing his name from Umbreon, Espeon, to Flareon.
Clearly he loves the Pokemon.
Well, I can relate to that. Let's see who we get today, Matty. Have you ever played Piano Miko's Loser Lag?
No, I've never seen them.
I've never seen them as well. I'm not sure if they're real. Relentless. That's like my thirst for some Command & Conquer games.
What do you think of Burn, champ? Burn loves to just build bases.
Oh, again! We got a game! Who we got? Who do we have? Oh, Axiom!
Axiom's and his engineers!
Matty, there's going to be engineers everywhere.
He's just going to say hi. He always just says hi, but it's his just thing because he wants you to pay. Look at Geordie go. He wants to build power plants.
Axiom, we were just talking about
Who are you?
What was my name before this? I don't remember.
You saw George. He knows who you are.
Oh, he does.
What were you before this? Sir Lord George.
Yes, Axiom. I swear to God, if you engineer me, I'm going to be
Actually,
so
your last
pissed
name was Axiom Sneaky's Engineers. That's what your name was.
My last name was Axiom Sneaky Engineers. More minigunners means more
engineers. You really need to scout this map.
What are the chances?
You need a radar before you need your third refinery with Sneaky Axiom.
Man, I'm gonna put them everywhere. I don't care if this is overkill, guys. I am not.
So we know to do this because Axiom loves his engineers.
Get him.
Construction complete.
I'm a mechanical man, George.
Get out of the Tiberium, you fucking. Oh.
Construction complete.
Chap, if Axiom's ever going to do an engineer, it's going to come through the bottom.
The bottom, you reckon?
Oh, yeah, I reckon he's going to hide one in the bottom left corner where that chooser is. He's waiting.
Oh, wow.
He's waiting for his up. You need 2 choosers down there. Choosers.
We got one here just to protect the base, Matty. All right, I think. Oh, he's bringing
he's coming. He's coming. He wants the engineer.
Unit lost.
Alright. Oh no, move them. Come back. Ooh, there goes that flame trooper. There's another one coming.
Oh, they're all coming down. You're scouting the wrong side of the town because I bet you there's an engineer in that far left corner of the map.
Kill him.
Construction complete. Unit lost.
Oh, what?
Options.
What?
My flamer was choosing.
Unit ready. Reinforcements
Oh,
have
that's some good
arrived.
choosing.
Unit ready. Building.
Don't that far corner, champ. They're coming.
Reinforcements have arrived.
Engineers. Oh, I reckon he is.
I'm telling ya.
Unit lost. Building. Insufficient.
These engineers are going to be coming anytime shortly, champ.
I reckon. I reckon that's why.
Unit ready.
There's a lot of power plants he's building, Matty. What do you reckon of that?
Construction complete. Reinforcements have arrived.
I reckon he's hungry for that Tiberium.
Building. Unit lost.
Now my buildings are so open.
Reinforcements have arrived. Unit ready.
He's really building down.
Reinforcements have arrived. Unit ready. Unit lost.
Where is his engineers?
Oh, he's about to take your base already, champ.
Unit ready.
Look, he's covering all bases.
Have arrived.
Your phone flamed these choosing.
Reinforcements have arrived.
Jordy's just a bit nervous of these engineers that it could be lurking in any corner.
I know where they're lurking.
Building.
I'm gonna save one. Because I know what he's doing. Turrets as well.
Unit ready. Unit
Champ,
lost.
maybe you should get some engineers in.
Nah, fuck that.
Have arrived.
I've had enough of his bullshit.
Construction complete. Unit
Oh, I see it.
Big money to
building.
charge.
Reinforcements have arrived.
Can't take over what he can't.
Insufficient funds. Construction complete. Unit ready.
You need to be on the offense, Jaws.
I think so, champ. I think so.
Reinforcements have arrived. Building. Unit ready.
He's not going to outbugger me at this stage.
Unit lost. Reinforcements have arrived. Building.
Maybe I will
Unit ready.
engineer him.
Well, you got.
Yeah, that's why.
Kill those. Ooh.
Oh, he's got some turrets.
Oh, champ, he just started building some recons. He's building some.
Unit ready.
All this. Ooh,
Reinforcements have arrived. Building.
Alright, Axiom. Tell me if you like this, buddy.
Oh, an engineer on his own. Does his own medicine.
Our base is under attack.
Champ, it's time for some recons. I think.
Champ, there's never time for recons.
Unit lost. Unit ready. Reinforcements have arrived. Unable to comply. Moving in progress. Building. Unit ready. Unable to comply. Moving in progress. Unit lost. Reinforcements have arrived.
I know it's going to be.
Building. Unit ready.
Those engineers.
Unit lost. Reinforcements have arrived. Building.
All in a day's work, Axie, baby!
All in a day's work.
Now, I know I haven't seen any engineers, but I know they're here.
Building.
Unless one of my troops have killed them automatically.
Ready. Unit lost. Reinforcements have arrived. Building.
Walls, Axiom! If you're watching this, champ, that's not the way.
Reinforcements have arrived. Building.
I see a hand and nod there, so it can only,
Ready.
can only mean one thing.
Reinforcements have arrived.
GG indeed.
See ya, Axiom.
See, Axiom, I should rewatch that game and see where you put your engineers. What do you think of that one, champ?
Good job, George. Good job. Axiom, when he doesn't use the engineers, it's very hard for him to win. I've noticed.
How funny is it we're talking about
I
Axiom?
know, and then he comes.
There we go. Alright, Maddie, that's a nice... Whoa, it's going to be 7 points.
That's some good stuff.